and to be the very best you need to give in hours. I completed my JEE preparation in the year 2007 and I completed my ISI preparation in the year 2018. How did I prepare for IIT entrance? And how did I prepare for ISI entrance? IIT entrance in those days was structured as your JEE, and the JEE exam was just responsible for getting you into IITs. And then you had your AIEEE. AIEEE was responsible for getting you into the NITs. For ISI entrance, as the name suggests, it's for the various centers of ISI. When I talk about my JEE preparation days, I had to devote a lot of my time into mastering various kinds of topics and subjects. There were various phases in my JEE preparation days, and there were also various phases in my ISI preparation days. But if I have to tell you very honestly, there were essentially two phases in my ISI preparation days, and there were roughly 5 to 6 phases in my JEE preparation days. So if I have to just tell you a few key phases in my JEE preparation days, one was the initial phase when I entered class 11, and from maybe around July to September, these 3-4 months were the phase where I had no clue about what's happening in any subject. And there was a phase just a year after that, in the month of May to July, when I was in class 12, and that is the phase I gave like a lot of my effort. I used to sleep at roughly 11 to 12 in the night and wake up at 2:30 or 3 in the morning, maybe 3:30 sometimes. That phase kind of prepared me for a lot of physics topics, and actually I covered 70 to 80% of my physics syllabus in those 3-4 months. Not exactly in those 3-4 months, but by the time I completed those 3-4 months, my 70 to 80% of the physics syllabus was over. And it was all thanks to Pratyush Kumar Singh sir, who kind of had like multiple classes in a single day. I still believe that it took a bit of effort to grasp that much of a concept in a single day, but still that was worth it. And because of that phase, the rest of my class 12 was quite a smooth ride, and I just knew that preparation for the board exam won't be that difficult, because I never wanted to get 99% or 96% or things like those. I just wanted to ensure that I get decent marks in my class 12, because class 12 percentage was not that an important factor in IIT entrances those days. So I just wanted to get decent marks in class 12, and I just wanted to focus entirely on my JEE preparation. So that 3-4 months of a good grind by Pratyush sir and as well as from my side definitely helped me a lot. So these were the two key phases in my JEE preparation. Apart from that, I can also tell you about my FitG days and then so on and so forth. But still, let's just keep those things aside as of now. And now come to ISI preparation days. For ISI preparation days, one phase was the first round of preparation when I gave the exam in 2015 and 2016. Now, this preparation phase of ISI was something in which I kind of knew what all is needed, but I was not able to devote that time and attention to the preparation. And honestly speaking, I did not know how to study and everything else. Also, apart from that, I would also like to tell you that it needs time essentially, and I did not spend that much of time, to be honest. And the second phase, when I gave the exam in 2018 after a gap of 1 year, so in the year 2018, everything was like aligned in a proper way. The kind of questions which I had prepared and the kind of preparation I had put into it, and yes, maybe there was a a kind of a luck on my hand as well on the exam day, because the maths questions were as per as my liking, and that maths paper kind of boosted my overall score, and it also helped me clear a lot of cutoffs, I presume so, because my interview did not go that well, but still I qualified to the merit list with a single digit or top 10 rank. Now that is something which I would credit to the mathematics question paper or my mathematics preparation. I mean, you can give that credit to any of these guys. So that is the kind of comparison which I can give you about the IIT preparation days and my ISA preparation days. Now, if I have to give you some kind of a takeaway from this, the IIT preparation was kind of a very intense phase of my life, and that somehow prepared me for the ISI entrance as well, because the mathematics preparation for the JEE is roughly speaking 60 to 70% of your mathematics for ISI, and if I have to tell you a step further, it's roughly around 40 to 50% of your ISI entrance for your MSQE at least. So by preparation for JEE, I prepared around 40% for my MSQE. And though the preparation gap was huge, I completed my JEE preparation in the year 2007, and I completed my ISI preparation in the year 2018. So you can see that there's 11 years of gap, but still JEE preparation helped me in my MSQ preparation. So this is a very rough kind of a comparison, and I know that for different exams, for different people, the comparison will be different. But this is the kind of a story which you need to know, that there could be exams for which you prepare much earlier in your life, which could help you in for which could help you for exams much later in life. And I still believe that the kind of study ethic which I imbibed in myself, that no matter what is happening around you, if you have to cover a syllabus portion, then you have to cut down on your sleep, do that. You have to cut down on anything else, do that. But complete that syllabus and master your strength so much that you are able to be amongst the top people in that concept. So that is the only way you can qualify these exams to be the very best. And to be the very best, you need to give in hours, and there is no secret sauce or secret strategy or hidden rules. You just have to give in the hours, and that is the common theme in the IIT preparation or the ISI preparation.